Hi, I'm Patrick with Justponics, and today I want to talk to you about our Deluxe Edu Aquaponics kit. We're going to talk about what you get with our kit and how to assemble it. So our kit comes in a box like this, and now I'll take everything out and show you what you get. So first you get 2 caps, each has a hole. You get 2 bags of media. This is for the grow bed. Get a pump, net cup, rock wool for growing the seeds, media guard, overflow valve, our siphon, bag of seeds. This is only for US based customers only. A hose for the pump, and 3 bins. So these bins, 2 of them have holes on the bottom right here, okay? And 1 does not. So the one that does not is going to be used for the sump tank. Okay, this is step 1. We're gonna install the siphon and the media guard into the grow bed, okay? First you unscrew the siphon. There's an O-ring here. Take that O-ring out and place the siphon into the media guard, like so. Take the O-ring and insert it at the bottom of the cup. Then take this cup, insert it into the grow bucket. Take a lid with the hole and place it right underneath the grow bucket. Okay. Now take this piece and screw it in. And now it's installed, the siphon and the media guard. Step 2, install the overflow valve. So our overflow valve comes like this. Unscrew the nut. There is an O-ring on the bottom of the overflow valve, right here. Okay. Take the other bucket with the hole at the bottom, stick the overflow valve into the hole, and take the nut and screw it in. So that O-ring should be on the inside. It should not be on the outside. Screw it in. All right, step 3, we're going to install this pump into the sump tank. So the sump tank is the bucket without a hole. So first, take your bucket, take your pump, take the piece that comes with the pump, it's a smaller one, stick it in to the pump, take the hose, stick that into the pump. And then with these suction cups, stick it to the bottom of the bucket. And that's it. The pump is installed in the sump. Step 4, we're going to install the fish tank on top of the sump tank. So here's your sump. Take your fish tank. This is the one with the overflow valve. Take one lid, put it on the bottom. Okay. and stick it on top. Okay. And now you can add water into the fish tank and the fish. So this is where it goes. You can add that in. Last step, take the grow bed and place it on top of the fish tank. So this siphon should be on the opposite end of the overflow valve. Place it down, right? And then you take the hose coming from the pump and stick it through this connector right there. So this is where the water from the pump will pump into the grow bed. Step 6, you're gonna add your hydrotone into the system. But before you add your hydrotone, make sure you clean it of all the dust and debris. So take all this hydrotone, put in some water, shake it around, and make sure the water is clear before you add it in. We've already pre-cleaned this, so we don't need to show that right now. But make sure you clean it, it's very important. You unzip your bag. And add it in. So for step 7, after you've added all your hydrotone and you set up the system, what you want to do is add the water into the system. So you can add water into the system, which will fill this grow bed, drain into the fish tank, and from there, the water will overflow and trickle into the sump tank. So add enough water so you can fill up your sump tank. So just take your water, keep on adding it until the sump tank fills up. After you have the system set up like so, and you've added the water into the system with the fish and the hydrotone, you want to let it run for a few days. During this time, the fish will produce some waste and allow the system to start producing the bacteria it needs to convert the fish waste into plant food. After a few days, you can take your net cup and add it into the system. You can take a seed, add it right in to the rock wool. So you should look at the instructions for the particular seed that you're receiving on how to germinate it. So we just talked about the Deluxe Edu Aquaponics kit and how to assemble it. Here's the assembled version, and what I want to show you is that Deluxe Edu Aquaponics kit in action. So here's one that we've put together and we've been using for a while. And you can see that the fish is healthy, the system is working, and this is how it should be for you. So if you liked this video, please like it or subscribe to our channel. And if you want this system, check it out on Amazon and Etsy. We'll have links in the description of this video to those pages. Thanks.